क्या लेक्चरर साहब, क्या हाल है? Dream girl, where are you? Dream girl, where are you? I have to take revenge. They have to pay for this.
Give them competition.
Competition?
Yeah.
How?
Open your own college. Your own college.
College? I don't have money to pay the rent of my room and you're saying to open a college?
But you have information. And information rules everywhere. Land, building, etc. are the secondary things. These things are intermediary between a teacher and a student. Why don't you remove these intermediaries?
How can I do this?
See, economic of information is changing. You have information and students need information. Why don't you provide information directly through internet? If the physical infrastructure is so costly, then there is no need for it. You replace this infrastructure at the place of internet. Open an e-college.
E-college? E-college?
Yeah, e-college. A soft copy of the e-college. Just like an email, e-marketing, e-banking, you open an e-college.
Yes, e-college. It will be a disruptive innovation to the education industry. It will disrupt that principal and also his college. ए राजू, जल्दी उठ, 6 बज गई। 6 बज गया? अरे जय लक्ष्मी मैया की। चल जल्दी से तैयार हो जा, हमें कॉलेज खोलेंगे।
तेरी सरस्वती सच में चली गई, जा सो जा यार।
अरे सरस्वती तो अब आएगी। We will open a soft copy of a college.
Means?
Alok tells him the idea. Raju likes it. He calls Madhuri also to join the e-college.
What would be the fees of our college?
50,000 rupees.
No, there won't be any fees. It will be free.
Free?
Free?
कोई फ्री नहीं होता। हमारे गांव में कहते हैं पहले अपनी सेवा करो फिर समाज सेवा।
अरे फ्री होगा तो हम क्या कमाएंगे?
हम भी कमाएंगे, but it needs to be free because free is the future of business. Nothing can attract people more than the words free. People want free, and if you have to be in the business, you will have to do what people want.
But how will we earn? What would be our salaries? What would be our future? What about our marriage? What about our children?
Stop it, Raju.
We will earn through advertisements on our e-college. We will earn just like Google is earning, like e-newspaper. We will charge from the other companies, but it has to be free for common people.
They opened the college. The name of the college was Dream Girl E-College. Very soon it became very famous. Hundreds of students got registered on this college. Alok, Raju and Madhuri taught them through e-classes. They provided them free e-books. If the students are not in the mood of attending the classes, they could save the classes in the computer and attend it later according to their comfort. One day, all three of them were sitting.
केसरिया बालम आवो पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे केसरिया पालम आवो पधारोनी मारे
तुम छा गए यार.
Thanks, yaar. Congratulations, Mr. Alok, for the first anniversary of your college.
What happened, friend? You're not looking very happy.
Nothing, just thinking about my own profession. Nowadays, very few people come to see the performance. I'm not earning as much as earlier.
You should have understood it by looking at our college. Economics of information is changing. You should take help of internet.
Why?
Because your performance has richness, but it doesn't have reach to people. Through live performance, you cannot reach to millions of people. But if you put it on internet, you can increase your reach without compromising with your richness.
We can help you, friend.
Bundu Khan implemented the suggestion of Alok. It really turned good. His performance was now well known.
The concept of e-college also became popular. Many people opened similar type of e-colleges in the next few years. A new trend started. It affected the business of conventional colleges very adversely. Principal and Mona in the college in the year 2015.
सर इस साल हमारे कॉलेज में से 25 स्टूडेंट्स ने एडमिशन लिया है.
ये सब सालों के लिए हुआ है.
उसे तो मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं. उसका कॉलेज किसी भी तरीके से बंद होना चाहिए.
सर हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर आई नो एन हैकर.
हैकर वो क्या कर सकता है?
सर वो इस साइट को हैक कर लेगा सर.
उससे क्या होगा?
सर इससे सारे कंप्यूटर रुक जाएंगे.
अगर ऐसी बात है तो जल्दी बोलो.
यस सर. हेलो चेतन, आई नीड योर हेल्प. या राइट नाउ. सर दिस इज चेतन सर. ही इज एन हैकर.
You are Chetan. Yes, sir. How are you going to hack? I know very well how to hack the websites. Where is your team? Team? What team? I'm alone. How will you do this work? शेर हमेशा अकेला काम करता है. उसको मेरे वक्त में भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. क्या तुम कर पाओगे? Yes, sir. मुझे ये साइट बंद चाहिए. Yes, sir. Definitely.
सर बिलीव इन सर. ही इज एन एक्सपर्ट सर.
ठीक है. कल शाम तक इसका साइट बंद रहनी चाहिए. ओके सर.
I won't be able to understand that what is happening here. Even more than 90% of the students have already left the college.
Even I am also confused. What is happening? I am not able to understand. What to do?
Just because of this virus, you know, because of this virus, the students are leaving. I have talked to so many software engineers. Nobody has come with a solution till now. What to do?
I think it's time to shut down this.
No, we can't do this.
We have to.
How can we do this?
We have no choice.
Yes.
May I come in?
Yes, please.
शबनम घटा चांदनी बन जाती है दोस्तों, रंग रूप लेती है वो बदल. कौन? ड्रीम गर्ल, किसी शायर की गजल. ड्रीम गर्ल.
So, ma'am, did you come up with this solution?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, that's great. Master, please.
Sure. It's done.
It's done.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, it's done.
Congrats, sir. Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you, Dream Girl.
Dream girl?
Friends, today first of all I thank to internet. Then I welcome our chief guest and all of you. We are here today only because of internet. An unknown professor like me became such a popular person. This is the proof that the time of long tail has came. Earlier there was only one Kotler, but today Kotler is not the only guru. Every professor has his own students across the world. There are no physical barriers or limitations. Era of the stars has gone. Era of common people has come. Era of the long tail has come.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं, हम थे जहाँ, अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ. इस